bronze cichlids. I buy things pretty much once a month, if not more. They have always done amazing for me. So. Alright, this they put heat packs in case it's cold, but it's in the middle of it. So. Alright, Pombo rocks. As you can see, I'll be honest with you, I don't remember ordering him, but I know I've always wanted one. And this is Gracie Letting tank. I'm getting ready to move a whole bunch of fish into my new 300 gallon tank. So this is an extra. You'll see more on that tank come soon. Again, a Milachromis Cichlids. It is a very rare fish that you don't see often in the hobby. And a white top hera. It is going into the Mabuna tank. The Gold Harbor. I don't know if you can you see it?
Not really.
So this is another one that I've wanted for a long time. This is what they call a mini bee peacock. An albino red empress. This is actually a breeder. This is their breeder male that they are giving up. This is a Turkish peacock. Holy shit. Oh, sweet. It is a Rostratus Taiwan Reef cross. This thing's awesome. There's a female. I'm trying to breed these guys. J-Lo Reef female. Barely see it. It is a pearl yellow dragon blood. Last but not least, big bag. Oh, this is a huge fish. I don't even know what this is, but that word. Whatever that word is. Another J-Lo Reef female. Got a second one of these. We have to float the bags as you see in the tank so that the temperature acclimates so they get closer. You don't really have to do this, but if there's a drastic temperature change, then it's bad for the fish. So sometimes people take the tank water and put it into the bag. I don't do it. I never have. Then you take the fish. So this is one of their bronze cichlids. This is one of their breeder males. They decided to sell. This is an albino red empress. Warm into there. There you go. These fish, Gold Harbor, they look beautiful when they get bigger. I don't know if this guy's gonna be colored up yet or not. That's the Gold Harbor. Creeper Red, I'm very excited about this one because I've never got one. Peacock. Cichlids. Again, this is a fish that very hard to find, and not many people have really even seen in person. I haven't even seen one fully colored up yet, but a little skinnier. Combo rocks. Is the Linny. This is the Turkish peacock. Platinum OB peacock. Personally, I love the platinums. Ooh, look at that. That's beautiful. Yep. I have no idea what to expect from this. Woo! It is a female because I am going to be breeding these, and I have multiple other females, but they have one in stock, so I will always take a female. The females don't get as colorful. Blend right in with the others. Cichlids. Assuming as a cross of some kind, but we shall see. Much bigger. Look at that. Oh my.
That's really pretty.
It's a Mokuna. I'm kind of excited about this one because the picture of it was Vikings colors, and I'm a huge Vikings fan, so I have no idea what it's going to look like. It's a cross between I think it's an okra and a Travasi. I can't remember how to pronounce it. I have no idea what it's going to look like. But that's why I like buying the fish, because until you see them in person.
Oh, that, yeah.
It is Vikings.
That is Vikings.
Colors. That is freaking awesome. You get the name, I'm not sure how to pronounce it, but Flavifamina. All of these are types of Mabuna. Alright, let's see what we got here. Ooh. White top Hera, another Mabuna, but I've had a hard time finding these in stock when I wanted them, and I finally found them. So thank you, RockBottomCichlidss, for always coming through. Very cool when they get colored up. These are JLo Reef females. See down here. I'm putting these in this tank because after I get the fish moved into out of quarantine and moved into their new tanks, I'm going to breed these out of. This is the last female.